Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Khubor bamta kasngi. President ka Kutumba Suraksha Parishad KSP Satya Ranjan Bora ha kasngi tho ding ulaong baga Krem Mawjymbuiñ kadai ka jaka jungokai perthei ka ba kongsan ha Meghalaya. Bar kibriu kila banit jungokai klem ka jingkhang yano kum unong shongshnong kari India. Ka Deputy Commissioner East Khas Hills District ka kong RM Korba Kalakhot Jingelang District Committee halor kamat ka Mawjymbuiñ min ha ka leit rik ukala lingkon arhajar arpusan ha office jongka. Unong yalam ka KSP baro ki don ya ka hok ban im ban money blay bat ka hok ban pinpau ya ka baki sngo ban na sngo ha ka ju kapor ban amar ka ri India kadai ka ri baburam ya baro ki kam baro ki day ban buram ya kinyam bapher jom ki jat ban ri. Kumta ka Krem Mawjymbuiñ kadai ka jaka jungokai perthei omdan bala ban khang kila ban net ban wan omdai bat ban pinjabo yathu ubora uang shu ha ka jingelang bat ka DC uyathu kalong ka basnotenan mrei uang pat bahap bot iki kendon jong ka chnong ki balabu hab ban buram ya ka jinge.
You have 4 people here. Lot of people are there outside the meeting hall. So it was a nice meeting, and they say there is no ban on worshipping on the cave, Mawjymbuiñ cave sibling, and it is open to everyone, open to all. But they have to follow some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs because the Mawjymbuiñ cave itself is a necessarily from its structure. And being a citizen of this India, we have the fundamental duties to protect the environment, forest and lake, etc. So we do have some suggestions. We offered our suggestion to them and they accept our suggestions. Okay, there should not be any lights, diyas and hoops inside the cave. It's okay, that should not be there because it is a tourist spot and it is a sensitive environmental spot. There should not be any kind of external applications to apply to the places. And number 2 is that there should not be any kind of noise. Yes, that can also be understood, that can also be appreciated. And they say there is no any ban and they will go for a special arrangement to the people in the month of Sawan. They have accepted it, they will do it. And they also said that for 365 days it is open to all, and they will keep on operating the cave for everyone. Everyone go inside the cave, they can offer their prayer there and they can do anything, but no lights, no smoke, no alcohol. Of course there should not be any alcohol, you know? So smoke means smoke from any diya and all, that is okay. So we have submitted one letter addressing to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and we have distributed through the Deputy Commissioner of East Khas Hills, and we have submitted this to all the stakeholders who were present in the meeting. And basically what we have suggested to them, they said yes, they already put in those things in the SOPs. So I think the meeting was good, and let's see what happened. We are hope for the best, and we are here being a citizen of India. As per the Article 51 says, we are performing our constitutional duties and right to worship, right to live, right to movement. Everyone has this fundamental right given by the Constitution of India. They have to respect, and they, of course, they are respecting all the fundamental duties, and they are doing their fundamental, expecting all the fundamental rights and doing their fundamental duties. So we are thankful to the Meghalayan government and looking forward to visit the Mawjymbuiñ cave in coming days with all my friends and all you. So it is a nice meeting. I mean, see, there is some misconfusion in the worship. What we are mean by worship is to offer the prayer to the Almighty. It may be anyone. See, we say it is Bhagavan, Ishwar. Someone say it is Lord. Someone say it is Allah. But end of the day, it is the one. So to offer the praise, nothing to do any kind of diyas and agarbattis and all, but you have to go there, and they accept these things. I can go there, I can sit there, I can sit for 5 minutes, I can close my eyes, I can do offer my prayers there. This is the worship. No any kind of ritual. Ritual is not a core component. If any kind of ritual is required, that can be done outside the cave.
But
That they have accepted.
There is some
Are you
interpret.
satisfied?
As on date,